So we're doing a brake job on this W212 2014 E350 4Matic. Have it jacked at the center point underneath. Rear wheel is chocked. Alright, so we got the left front wheel off. And by the way, we also put jack stands on both sides. It was a 17mm socket to take off the 5 wheel lugs. So the pads actually have some life left. The reason why we're changing these is because the rotors are warped under heavy braking. The pedal is pulsating and the steering wheel is also shaking. So we're upgrading to these Brembo rotors and pads. In the back you're using? Or
no, this is just to get the caliper off.
Right, those are 13s, I think.
Yeah, or yeah, these are 13s, exactly.
Okay. $13 here, and also a 13 here. This is to get off the caliper housing that holds the brake pads. Brake retaining clip removed with a flat screwdriver. Moving the caliper housing using retaining clip on the front suspension. Yeah, pads are in good shape. CarQuest brand. Oh, dude, we shouldn't we have taken off the torque?
Yeah, we can do that now.
Okay. I forgot you have the impact.
So this is in the car, and the case is bad.
Oh wow!
And all of the sockets came out when I put them back in.
Well, you were able to get them.
Yeah.
They came out of the case. Okay.
They came out of the case.
So T30.
T30. I mean, if it strips, we can just drill it out. It already looks a little stripped, so I think we're good.
Okay. Alright, so we use brake cleaner to clean and prep the rotors. Came with a new torque. So reinstalled the rotor with the torque. Now we're reinstalling the caliper housing.
You know what the torque spec is? You want to get the torque? I'll get the torque wrench in a second.
I thought it was 85 is what I'd read.
Okay.
So we're applying a silicone-based lubricant to all the metal contacting points to eliminate squealing and vibration noises that you get from metal-to-metal contact. Installing the pads back into the caliper housing. Sometimes it's easier to install the outer pad and put the inner pad inside when you reinstall the caliper housing on. We didn't have to depress the piston in this, right?
I kind of did.
A little bit?
With the screwdriver as I took it off.
Okay. I never opened up the reservoir though.
That should be fine. Take new screws.
Is that so that the slide pin gets lubrication too?
Yeah, because I think these are the slide pins.
Oh, it's one piece.
Yeah, these act as the slide pins.
Okay, that's why they're excessively long.
Yeah. I think so.
I think that's probably a better design, right?
Yeah.
So the torque setting on this is, I think, 22 foot-pounds.
22, okay.
So not very much at all. Put the retaining clip back on. What's the intention of that?
I think it just keeps it from rattling.
Okay. Now what, just install the wheel back on and torque it?
Yeah.
And then the other side. It's ready to go. It's actually not too bad.
Yeah, it's bad. Sometimes you put some APCs and brush it, but
there is a torque spec for that, but it's so minimal. It's like 7 pounds or something. Which to me is just like very hand tight.
I mean, I want to strip it, but
Okay, it makes sense. You put the silicone lubricant over here and here. Okay. So I've seen it done both ways. Like I noticed that you put the silicone lubricant on the actual cylinder,
you put it on the pads on the little
the backing plate.
Well, I put it around the piston
Right.
on the back side where it contacts.
Right.
Because you can put it on the backing plate, but
It's messier on the pads.
and yeah, potentially you don't know exactly where it's going to touch.
So you're
then
basically
just
doing the
putting
whole
it on-
thing. Yeah, I gotcha. Whereas that's more precise.
precise. Yeah. Torque wrench.
It's 85. 85 foot-pounds.
I swear I did like 84 or something on the other side. Was it 85?
You went up to 87 on the other
87,
side.
okay.
Yeah.
No, well, okay. Is it 85? Okay. 85 is the actual.
Okay.
What's a sensor?
It's right over here. Okay, so it slides into there.
Yeah,
And so is the idea when the pad gets to the point where it touches the sensor and it hits the rotor.
yeah, it
it
will.
go-
Yeah.
Okay.
So it can roll away. So it flips in. What's the flux spec for the smaller one? 22?
22, yep.
To plug the brake sensor in here.
Oh, it just goes straight in?
Yeah.
Okay. All Alright, the last step is tightening down these lugs. Once the wheels are on the ground, we'll torque them to 96 foot-pounds.